Welcome back. It's Ray again. Now that we've launched our project, it's time to make it real. In the planning and design phase, our engineering team steps in. First, we kick off with initial research, modeling, and calculations, based on everything we've received. Our engineers review the sold specifications and ensure feasibility for installation, along with making sure that all code and safety compliance regulations can be met. If the site walk didn't happen during pre-sale, now's the time that this would typically occur. During the post-sale site walk, the key team players visit the proposed installation location to gather critical information. We're talking drone flights to capture detailed rooftop scans, polycam scans for interior 3D imagery, and high-resolution photos to evaluate everything from structures, obstacles, and property photos to shading, roof conditions, and staging areas. We even use this opportunity to scope out potential equipment installation locations, and clearances for various components of the solar install. Next, we assess the building's electrical infrastructure, capture electrical gear specifications, identify interconnection points, and analyze the logistics of getting the job done safely and efficiently. There's no better time than this to thoroughly take a look at the installation location, and see the spaces that will soon be filled with our solar equipment. After the site walk is completed, back in the office, our design specialists use the data to build a base design, and our engineers carefully calculate system feasibility. The full system layout is developed, using stringent design standards, and incorporating all installation realities. Next comes our internal quality control plan check to verify compliance, best practices, design standards, and feasibility. Once approved internally, we then send the design off to be reviewed and stamped by licensed professional engineers. Stamps from various PE specialties may be necessary to submit the plans to the AHJ. This may include in-depth reviews from structural, electrical, and sometimes even environmental or other specialty firms. Once we receive stamped plan sets, there's one last step before submitting the permitting package to the AHJ. And that's final design and layout approval from the client. Post-permitting layout or design revisions can be costly and create unnecessary delays. So before submitting the plans for permit, it's important that we've locked in the layout and equipment that are part of the design, and ensure that we are aligned with the client to avoid any changes or revisions down the line. After the client signs off, we are off to the races. And it is time to submit our plans for permits. That's it for design. But we're just getting started. Let's dive into the permitting and interconnection workflows next.